Dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss Cambridge IELTS 1, uh, Test 1, Passage 1. So the passage topic is A Spark, a Flint, How Fire Leapt to Life. This is an easy passage. Let us go to the questions. So question is given. We have to answer for the question 1 to 8 from the below list of words. So let us read the instruction first. Complete the summary below. Choose your answers from the box at the bottom of the page and write them in boxes 1 to 8 on your answer sheet. And NB, there are more words than spaces, so you will not use them all. You may use any of the words more than once. We have a passage is given, early fire lighting method, and once. We have a passage is given, early fire lighting methods. There's a passage. Some words are found to be missing. That is from the question 1 to 8. So there is an example is given. So let us read the example first. Primitive societies saw fire as a dashed gift. So we have the keywords here, primitive societies and gift. So let us go back to the passage and let us see what is the answer. The control of the fire was first and perhaps the greatest of the humanity's steps towards a life-enhancing technology. To early man, fire was a divine gift, randomly delivered in the form of a lightning, forest fire, or burning lava. So this is the first sentence, and this is the introduction of this passage. So to early man here. So also we have a gift here. So in this sentence our answer is lying. So the answer is exactly divine gift. So let us see what is exactly the answer for our question. So here the word matches with the divine is surprise to make a friction heavenly. Okay, then answer is exactly heavenly. Here answer is given, that is heavenly. So likewise we have to find out the answer for question 1 to 8. Let us move on to question number 1. Question number 1, they try to dash burning logs or charcoal, dash that they could create fire themselves. It is suspected that the first man-made flames were produced by dash. So let us look at the passage. Before that, we have to find out the keywords. They tried to burning logs or charcoal, dash that they could create fire themselves. So the keyword is tired, burning logs or charcoal. They could create fire themselves. So let's find out the answer for question 1 and 2. So moving on to the passage 1, the first paragraph, let us see that unable to make flame for themselves, the earliest people probably stored fire by keeping slow burning logs alight or by carrying charcoal in pots. So we have the keyword, two numbers of keywords is lying here. That is, first one is burning logs alight or by carrying charcoal in pots. So our answer is lying in this paragraph. So let us look a closer look into the first passage. For themselves, the earliest people probably stored fire by keeping slow burning logs alight or by carrying charcoal in pots. So answer is, for themselves, the earliest people probably stored fire by keeping slow burning. So let's look at once again to the question. They tried to store burning logs or charcoal. Let us look at this passage, these keywords, and then we have to put it into the this question. Then if we are getting any answer for this question, then we have to choose that answer. They're tied to burning logs or charcoal. They're tied to dash. They're tied to burning. They're tied to dash burning. So burning is not unable to, or we cannot choose that. Not matching here. Then themselves, earliest people probably stored fire. Probably they tied to probably burning logs or charcoal. Probably burning logs or charcoal. It is not matching. And the next one is the earliest people stored fire by keeping. Stored, let us look. They tried to store burning or charcoal. Okay, this is matching. So let us find out what is the synonyms. This is given in the list of words. Mexicans, despite sunlight, percussion, unaware, heating, until, random, preserve. Okay, that is actually the keyword for storing. So they tried to store burning logs or charcoal. So the answer for the first question is preserve. Preserve. Okay, moving on to the question number 2. Burning logs or charcoal dash that they could create fire themselves. Earliest people probably stored fire by keeping burning logs alight or by carrying charcoal in pots. Okay, that is over. How one where man learned how to produce flame at will is unknown. Okay, the answer for the second question is lies in this sentence. So let us look at the question once again. Burning charcoal, burning logs or charcoal, dash that they could create fire themselves, which means charcoal, unknown that they could create fire themselves, unknown. Okay, the keyword here is only we can choose is keyword here is only we can choose is unknown. So the keyword the synonym for unknown is we have to find out. Despite, Mexicans, despite sunlight, percussion, unaware. Unaware is the synonym for unknown, unaware. Okay, so the answer for the second question is unaware. Unaware. Then moving on to the question number 3, it is suspected that the first man-made flames were produced by dash. It was probably a secondary invention accidentally made during toolmaking. It was probably a secondary invention accidentally made during toolmaking operations with wood or stone. Okay, the answer for the third question lies in this paragraph. It was probably a secondary invention accidentally made during toolmaking operations with wood or stone. So the keyword here is we may choose the probably secondary invention accidentally made, then during tool making operations. These are the keywords. So the answer for this flames were produced by tool making operations. Here it is not given. Is it with wood or stone? No, invention. Accidentally by invention. Invention. Here there is no invention which is accidentally. Accidentally means Mexicans despite sunlight, percussion, unaware, until, random, preserve, lacking, chance. Chance is there. Accident means by chance. Okay, then the answer for the third question is by chance, which means if it is comes together, which means accidentally. Chance plus by, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ by plus chance, which means by chance, which means accidentally. Okay. Moving on to the question number 4. The very first fire lighting methods involved the creation of the very first fire lighting methods involved the creation of dash by, for example, rapidly dash a wooden stick in a round hole. The use of dash or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe and among other people such as the Chinese and dash. So the answer for the fourth question we have to find out. So the answer, let us find out by looking at the keywords. The first fire lighting methods involve the creation of. These are the two keywords. Okay. Studies of primitive societies suggest that the earliest method of making fire was through friction. Primary finding of the primary methods of lighting. Okay, methods of making fire was through friction. So the friction is given here. There is only one keyword that we can provide in question number 4. So is there any synonymous? Let us find out in the list of keywords. Mexicans, despite sunlight, percussion, unaware, heating, smoky, Eskimos, without chance, lacking, reserved, random, rotating. Okay, friction is here. So the answer for the fourth question is friction. And answer for our third question is what? Chance. Okay, answer for our third question is what? Chance. Okay, moving on to the fifth question. Example, rapidly dash a wooden stick in a round hole. Rapidly. Okay, let us see. European peasants would insert a wooden drill in a random hole and rotate it briskly between their palms. This process could be speed up by warming a cord around the drill and pulling on each end. Okay, the answer for the fifth question lies in this paragraph. European peasants would insert a wooden drill in a round hole and rotate it briskly. Okay, rotate it briskly. Briskly means rapidly. Rapidly dash a wooden sticker. Rapidly rotating a wooden sticker. Okay, the answer for this question is random lacking Eskimos. Okay, rotating is here. So fifth one is rotating. Lacking Eskimos. Okay, rotating is here. So fifth one is rotating. Rotating. Okay, then moving on to the sixth question. The use of dash or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe and among other people such as Chinese and Dutch. European practice of this method continued until the 1850s. The discovery of phosphorus some years earlier. Okay, let us see. That is the sixth question. The use of dash or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe and among other people. Answer for these questions may be any tool or any methods. Okay, let us see. Actually, we stopped the passage here. This process could speed up by warming up a cord around a drill and pulling on each end. The ancient Greeks used lenses or concave mirrors, concentrate the sun's rays, and burning glasses were also used by Mexicans, Aztecs, and the Chinese. Okay, there is no mention of the Mexicans. Chinese is mentioned and Europeans is also mentioned. So let us avoid this paragraph. And by looking the list of given words, I think that there is no mention of the lenses or concave mirrors in this. Okay, there is no mention about the lenses or concave mirrors. So this paragraph I am avoiding mirrors. So this paragraph I am avoiding. And percussion methods of firelighting date back to Paleolithic times, when some Stone Age toolmakers discovered that the chipping flinders produce sparks. The techniques become more efficient after the discovery of iron about 5,000 years ago in Arctic North America. The Eskimos produced a slow-burning spark by striking chords against the iron pyrites, a compound that contains sulfur. Okay, the Chinese lit their fires by striking porcelain with bamboo. Okay, our answer for the sixth question is lies in that paragraph. The use of dash or persistent chipping. Okay, percussion methods of firelighting date back to the Paleolithic chipping. Chipping flinders. Okay, the first answer for the sixth one is lies in this one. That is persistent chipping or the use of dash or persistent chipping. Okay, percussion methods of firelighting date back to the Paleolithic times, when some Stone Age tool makers discovered that. Okay, the method is actually mentioned here, the percussion method. Okay, that is the use of percussion or persistent chipping. Okay, let us see whether the answer is lies in this list of words. Okay, percussion is lies here. So the use of percussion or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe and among other peoples such as the Chinese, and dash European practice of this method continued until the 1850s. Chinese actually mentioned the technique sufficient after the discovery of iron about 500 years. This method continued until the 1850s. Chinese actually mentioned the technique sufficient after the discovery of iron about 500 years. North American Eskimos is mentioned here, produced by slow burning, striking chords against in pyrites compound that contains sulfur. The Chinese also mentioned here. So Eskimos is here, Chinese is here, and our Europeans in Europe. Okay, so there is a three communities mentioned here. So the answer for this one is the use of percussion or persistent chipping was also widespread in Europe and among other people such as Chinese and Eskimos. Okay, here it is a full stop is here. Okay, so Eskimos is here. So the answer for the sixth question is Eskimos. Seventh question, Chinese. Eighth question, European practice of this method continued until 1850s. Dash the discovery of phosphorus some years earlier. Chinese with their fires striking porcelain bamboo. In Europe, the combination of steel and tinder remained the main methods of firelighting until the mid 19th century. Okay, answer for this question is lies in this paragraph. In the Europe, the combination of steel, flint, and tinder remained the main method of firelighting until the mid 19th century. Okay, until the 1950s. Dash the discovery of phosphorus some years earlier. Firelighting was revolutionized by the discovery of phosphorus 1669 by a German alchemist trying to transmute the silver into gold. Okay, actually the answer for the question is not in that paragraph. We have to find out. So until the 1850s, dash the discovery. Mexicans the discovery. We cannot say that. Despite the discovery, there is a chance is there. Sunlight the discovery. No, we cannot say that. Percussion is we used, whenever we used heating the discovery of phosphorus. There is no chance. Until the discovery, there is a possibility is there. Random the discovery. No. Preserve we already use. Lacking we cannot say. Chance the discovery we cannot say. Without the discovery of, but there is a discovery of phosphorus is mentioned, so we cannot use without. Eskimos we already use. Bonk the discovery we cannot use. Rotating use. Realizing the discovery, okay, there's a chance is there. Heavenly we already used. Friction already used. Make the discovery is there. Heavenly we already used. Friction already used. Make the discovery of phosphorus some year earlier. Make also there's a chance. Surprised the discovery also chance is there. So our list of keywords, make is there, surprised is there, then despite is there, until is there. Until already used it, so we cannot use until, so until is cancelled. So despite is there, surprised is there, realizing is there. So the most common or the most suitable answer for this question is despite the discovery. Despite the discovery. Okay. So that is the end of the questions 1 to 8. Then we have to move on to the question number 9 to 15. Okay, look at the following notes that have move on to the question number 9 to 15. Okay, look at the following notes that have been made about the matches described in reading passage 1 to 1. Decide which type of match A to H corresponds with each description and write your answers in boxes 9 to 15 on your answer sheet. There are more matches than descriptions, so you will not use them all. You may use any match more than once. Example is given. Could be lit after soaking in water. It's waterproof matches. Okay, let us move on to the question number 9. Made using less poisonous types of phosphorus. Made using less poisonous type of phosphorus. So less poisonous is a keyword. Then identical to a previous type of match. Modern matches. First match used for advertising. Relied on airtight glass container. Made with the help of an army design. Okay, let us look at the questions. Impressed by the elements combustibility, several 17th century manufactured fire lighting devices, but the result was dangerously inflammable with the phosphorus coating, costing the equivalent of several hundred pounds per ounces. The first matches were expensive. Okay, the above sentences or above paragraph does not mention anything about the matches we required in these questions. So moving on to the next paragraph. The question for practical matches really began after 1781 when a group of French chemists came up with a phosphoric candle or ethereal matches, a sealed glass after 1781. 14th answer means the ethereal match. 14th answer is ethereal match A. Then tube containing a twist of paper tipped with the phosphorus. When the tube was broken, air rushed in, causing the phosphorus to self-combust. An even more hazardous device popular in America was the instantaneous light box. A bottle filled with sulfuric acid into which splints treated with the chemicals were dipped. തന്നെ കത്തിച്ച് പഠിക്കണല്ലോ, അത് സാരമില്ല. Number 9. Made using less poisonous type of phosphorus, identical to a previous type of matches, caused deadly illness. First look like a modern matches. First matches used for advertising, relied on airtight glass container, made with the help of an army design. Okay, these are the keywords. So the list of matches is given. So moving on to the questions. The quest for a practical match really began after 1871 when a group of French chemists came up with a phosphoric candle or ethereal match, a sealed glass tube containing a twist of paper tipped with phosphorus. Okay, there is an airtight container, which means sealed glass tube. So airtight container is mentioned here. Airtight glass container. Okay, 14. So 14 answer is ethereal match. 14 answer is A. So we have to keep in mind that the list of keywords we mentioned here, that is less poisonous type of phosphorus, identical to previous type of match, caused deadly illness, first look like modern matches, first matches used for advertising, relied on airtight glass container, made with the help of an army design. Okay, these are the keywords. Keywords here, it is clear. Army design is there, airtight glass container, used for advertising, modern matches, deadly illness, previous type of match, poisonous type of phosphorus, which means less poisonous type. Okay, then when the tube was broken, air rushed in, causing the phosphorus to self-combust. An even more hazardous device popular in America was the instantaneous light bulbs. A bottle filled with sulfuric acid, into which popular in America was the instantaneous light bulbs. A bottle filled with sulfuric acid, into which splints treated with the chemicals were dipped. The first matches resembling those used today were made in 1827 by John Walker, an English pharmacist who borrowed the formula from military rocket maker called Congreve. So there is a mention of military rocket maker called Congreve. Okay, military rocket maker. That keyword is actually matches with the here army design. Military means army design. Okay, that is Congreve. So 15 answer is C. 15 answer is C. Matches those used today were made in 1827 by John Walker, an English pharmacist who borrowed the formula from military rocket design or military rocket maker called Congreve. So it is mentioned that the first matches resembling those used today, which means modern. That is, here we have first look like a modern matches. It is also Congreve. So the answer for the 10 is also C. So casting a shilling above Congreve were splints coated with sulfur and tipped with potassium chloride. To light them, the user drew them quickly through folded glass paper. Walker never patented his invention, and 3 years later it was copied by Samuel Jones, who marketed this product as Lucifer's. Walker never patented his invention, and 3 years later it was copied by Samuel Jones, who marketed this product as Lucifer's. Walker never patented his invention, and 3 years later it was copied by Samuel Jones, who Walker never patented his invention, and 3 years later it was copied by a Samuel Jones, who marketed his product as Lucifer's, which means identical to a previous type of match. Previous type of match means 3 years later it was copied. Copy means it have a previous version. So the answer for the 10th one, which means identical to a previous type of match, that is Lucifer. The answer for the 10th is D. Sorry, here we missed one. It is 12 is here actually. 12C, and it that is looking at the passage once again. Lucifer's about the same time the French chemist student called Charles Fourier produced the first strike anywhere matches by substituting white phosphorus for the potassium chloride in the Walker formula. However, since white phosphorus is deadly poison, the white phosphorus is a deadly poison from 1845, makers exposed to its fumes succumbed to necrosis, a disease that eats away jaw bones. It wasn't until 1906 that the substance was eventually banned. So there is mentioning of deadly poison is there. Our keyword is matching with here. That is causes deadly poison. Keyword is matching with here. That is causes deadly poison. Caused a deadly illness. Okay, deadly illness means here it is necrosis. Necrosis is that is actually that disease or illness. Okay, Lucifer's about the same time the French chemist student called Charles Fourier produced the first strike anywhere match. Okay, that is in this paragraph the mentioning of strike anywhere matches is there. So that is the illness caused phosphorus deadly poison is the strike anywhere matches. Okay, that is deadly poison. 11th answer is strike anywhere matches. Okay, that is answer is E. 11 is answer E. Okay, then moving back, actually we missing 13th and 9th one. 13th means first matches used for advertising. That is the answer 13. Then 9th one made using less poisonous type of phosphorus. Okay, two fumes succumbed in necrosis disease. Okay, this paragraph is over, and back to this paragraph. That was a 62-year-old after the Swedish chemist called Pasch had discovered non-toxic red or amorphous phosphorus, a development exploited commercially by Pasch compatriot J.E. Lundstrom in 1885. Lundstrom's safety matches were safe because the red phosphorus was non-toxic. Okay, that is here it is mentioned as safety matches. Lundstrom's safety matches were safe because the red phosphorus was non-toxic. Okay, made using less poisonous type of phosphorus. That is this type of phosphorus. That is safety matches. Okay, answer F is there. So 9 answer is F. 9 answer is F. Okay, then we have only left with the 13th question. That is the first matches used for advertising. It was painted on the striking surface instead of match tip, which contained the potassium chloride with a relatively high ignition temperature of 182 degrees centigrade. America lagged behind Europe in match technologies and safety standards. It was until 19 that the Diamond Match Company bought the French patient safety matches, but formula did not work properly. The different climate conditions prevailing America, and it was another 11 years before scientists finally adapted the French patent for the US. Okay, that is not mentioned here. The Americans, however, can claim several firsts in match technology and marketing. In 1998, the book matches. The innovation did not catch until after 1896, when a brewery had a novel idea for advertising its product in matchbooks. Okay, the innovation didn't catch until 1896. Then the brewery had a novel idea for advertising its product in matchbooks. Okay, that is the question. Made using, there is our question is 13th one. First made used for advertising. First matches used for advertising. That is book matches is here. So our answer for the 13th question is G. Okay, now let us look at our question. Now let us look at the answers for our. Now let us look at the answer. Here it is the answer. Preserve. It is correct. So it have 1 mark. Unaware have 1 mark. Then chance 1 mark. Friction 1 mark. Rotating. It is a 1 mark. Percussion. Yes, it have 1 mark. Mark. Despite. Yes, it have 1 mark. F. 1 mark. D. 1 mark. E. 1 mark. C. We have 1 mark. G. We have 1 mark. A. We have 1 mark. C. We have 1 mark. So we scored 15 out of 15. Okay. Thank you for listening. Share and comment.